have clothes on. Okay. Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 14. Wow, time flies. Anyway, today I'm going into my office. We're gonna have meeting pretty much all day and it will be so much fun meeting everybody. So here's my stack of the day. Anyway, I need to put my dress on and I need to get going. Do you think I would have, should I have my round glasses, the black big one? Maybe I do them today. I will try it. So I really enjoy like these. These are like flannel, it's thermal leggings, and it will be perfect under a dress. So you can still wear like a flimsy dress and still staying warm. Today we have like -10 degrees. So it's pretty cold. Oh, my hair. Haven't done anything with it today. Okay. Never mind. I will put it in a bun or anything later on. So this is pretty much my outfit. Under my dress, I'm like Superwoman. Hey.
Hey.
Well, it's nice, comfy, and it will stay. I will keep warm.
Titta när hon walkar.
So what do you think? Should I go with this one? And then maybe a bun up here. I have this little vest. So I have like this outfit. Don't we like this? Or what? Or should I go with my... No, I think we'll go with the black one. Don't you think? That's an outfit. Let's go. Time to go to school, and my hat is still missing. I need to see, maybe it's at work. And we have beautiful light snowfall right now. So let's go.
Come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas.
Hej. Ska du vara med? Tja! In the vlog. In the vlog. Yes. It's beautiful ceiling. Look at this. The chandelier. Is that the correct name?
I'm not sure.
Yes. Chandelier.
Crystal.
Wake up with a smile. The feeling is right today.
So sitting here at work, I'm between meeting and I'm gonna work around something.
Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now.
So I just got home to this. Hi honey.
Love you.
Look at this. So cozy. Some candles.
And then you can grilla stumpar.
No,
What?
don't do that. Don't do that. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Here's more. Really cozy to come home to this. Candles everywhere, and you know what? Have just poured me a glass of wine. And today we're gonna do a tapas plate, so keep it simple because it's pretty late So we have some bread left. We're gonna grill it, do like a pesto, mozzarella, super yummy. So we're gonna open the advent calendar and then we're gonna end this vlog. So Lily! So Lily, are you ready?
Hi.
Woo. Let's open number 14. Can you find it? What is it?
Kort och ett det är läppglans tror jag.
Oh my god, let me see. Oh, it's a lip product. So actually this is Annelies favorite and let's see what's
Hej då.
Lip Lux. So really excited to try it. I tried hers once and I think it's fabulous. Now I have my own. Really happy for that. So let's see. Look at this. Kom igen Lily. Kom igen Britt-Marie.
mycket mamma.
Look at this.
Då öppnar vi det.
These are from my beautiful friend or friend. We've been like blogger friends since, I don't know, forever and ever. And now she's a writer. She has her own PR company. And so excited for these. She's so talented. So we're gonna end this vlog. I hope you liked it. I don't know how much I filmed. I didn't film too much. Anyway, you got to see something. And as I always say, have a fabulous day, night or evening, wherever you are, and we see each other tomorrow. So bye bye.